Hi, my name is Alyssa, your pronunciation trainer, and I help people who have problems with their English pronunciation achieve an excellent American accent so they can speak English confidently and clearly. Watch the following demo for free to improve your accent immediately. Those are the two sounds that the A makes. We are going to learn the two sounds that all the vowels make, but don't think about that now. Let's first focus on the A, okay? Now, vowel sounds, we call them long vowels and short vowels. So when you see an A long vowel means you make the A sound. Think of the word rake. Ray. A-A-A-ake. Rake. Rake uses a long vowel sound because you pronounce the A. Thanks for watching our American Accent Secrets video. My lessons will help you improve your English pronunciation and sound like a native speaker. You'll find a video for every sound in American English. This is just an example of what you can find in American Accent Secrets app. Download American Accent Secrets for free. Find the link in the description.